now when I first meet an adjuster, first start a claim, I send out an email. It's kind of like a not a demand email, but it's a statement stating, due to it's like lawyer talk, but just say to the acknowledgement of the customer would like for you to let us know before you plan to go on any vacations and/or retire and/or hand this claim off to another adjuster that you'll let us know ahead of time and that you will guarantee that adjuster has all the information that the contractor's given to you. Therefore, no delays happen. I have all these statements of
Nice.
all the things that they do. I know it's like, please see, oh, if you do plan on bringing a contractor that is not chosen by the homeowner and not vetted by the homeowner, please let us know 72 hours ahead of time with the reason for you to bring that. And by the way, that person has to be comparable to the contractor that we hired. Contractor we hired has 150 reviews, 5-star, da 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 da, has the licenses. We want to see all of that before you allow that contractor to put an estimate to compare to the contractor that I chose. Because in 2007, they passed
Awesome.
the law that you could choose any contractor that you want to do the work. That
Contractor of
law was
choice.
passed.